The inspiration for making this drink comes from the fact that we enjoy watching Korean drama and having a soju eating scenes. But soju had a strong essence that makes it difficult to drink. So, we found a way to make it more eatable. That is, using passion fruit as an ingredient because I like to eat passion fruit, so I think that if mixed it will be delicious.
누구야? 누가 자꾸 내 술을 먹어? 이모. 야, 그러면 술이 들어간다. 뚜뚜뚜뚜뚜뚜뚜뚜뚜. 언제까지 어깨 즐즐게 할 거야? 내 어깨를 뭐 탈골했잖아.
그래도 그게 너무 좋았나 봐. 그런 가벼움이 참 좋았나 봐. 열정이 너무 사나워. 냉정한 감각이 쫄았나 봐. 우리 감정이 낮잠처럼 나른해지.
First one, cut the passion fruit, peel and slice a lime into pieces. Two, put passion fruit in a glass.
It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Love is
3. Add a pinch of salt.
It's gone. It's gone. Love is gone.
4. 1 tablespoon of honey.
우린 이별하는 그 순간조차 참을 수 없이
5. 1 shot glass of soju. 6. Mix it together and add ice.
벌거벗은 내용을 보여주는 게 참 우습기도 해. 서로의 몸은 서스름없이 보여주는데 홀로 지새구는 밤 좁은 내 방구석에 끝없는 사막같이 느껴져. 또 하나의 사랑이
7. Add spice and slice the lime. And the last one, decorate with peeled flowers and sliced lime. Alcoholic beverages are suitable for people aged 20 years and over. The Passion series can serve at home, bar, or the beach. The ideal time to drink is in the evening and at night because the drink allows us to enjoy it and the atmosphere around us. And the Passion series is a cocktail.
사랑조차 new ways. Oh,